How to use Uber One for free delivery in 2026. In here, the very first thing that you need to do is buy the Uber One subscription option. So obviously you would need to get into your account. Then from here, tap on your account icon right here. You will be able to see Uber One subscription, right? So in here, you can see try Uber One free. You can tap on it and then go along with the process of how you'll be able to pay for the subscription. You can tap on continue and go along with the process. So in here, you can see when you do buy the Uber One subscription for the very first time, you would actually be getting 4 weeks of free trial. So you can simply select that and then tap on try for free, and then if you have added your payment method, then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to pay for it. And after successfully buying the subscription, you can now go back, order something, and your delivery will completely be free of no charge. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for this video.